Hello guys, welcome to a new video called Teardown. This is a new game, and a lot of people like, so I'm gonna play it. I'm ready to campaign first. Campaign first. I'm gonna do this beautiful game already. No, I don't trust the liver instead of walking home. There you go. And that's how I beat the system. You go. This is the game that many people might like. So I'll show you quickly the first few minutes of the game, and tell them how much you like it. I'll do more. Just hold. Hammer. I'll do many things for hammer. And hammer this. Hammer this bush. I can hammer this door now. Break this down now. There's some stuff to prepare. Punch in the power. See what I can do. Knock this down. Knock this down. Oh, keep it down. That's sad. But I want to put inside and follow them. Unless. Nice password. Nice password. Let's see what my computer needs. Password just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure if you can make it through the months. Are you getting any requests at this point? We'll pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Head of state. Let them sorts of this stuff. This just came in. Sound kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Don't even my name is Jordan, was manager at the event, and while I have seen problems with my old building up, plotting a plan for my new meeting, I need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I'll even be willing to even to pay more than standard rated. So actually, quickly, especially in uncomfortable work hours, we will have to be taken care of it. So the first session, I've been 50 more. Yay! People in the house or people not in the house. I have to check really quickly. Let's see, the people in the house. Just show that a little bit. Let's see, what can I do? It looks like nothing in there, so I can just be showing like some lady told me to show me Contain charging. Is that so? Yeah! That barely did any damage. There's more damage than that. Let's hopefully Hammond does it better than the machine. Let's move forward for a bit. Destroying what if it's tonight, is it? Oh yeah, that's way more affected. It's just... There we go. Well, at least this one. Not just that us in the home. Like that suit. And I don't want that suit. But that's not. How do I make that up? Well, let's see. How do I make that up? No. Dive. Jump closer. Out there. That is cool. I'm just gonna drive this into the house. Go back to the car and maybe I can hit it. the beat. Yeah. No. Trust that. The pilot. He takes the goodness they destroy this house. They take back your job. Decided to let the most lose down. Let's see, can I draw this into it? Let's see what I can do. Haha, yeah. No. Wait a minute, can I just get up here? Let's get up here. Show ourselves almost done. Just a little bit of damage left. Now I'm just showing that that is a job for the queen. Yeah, I'm gonna claim this whole team down. Yeah, no, I missed it completely. And I'm back right out. No, I did not want. Well, nobody completely pays. It's the only thing that works. There you go. Plain tank. Time to do that. Plain tank. And go. Go. Yeah. Oh, still too tall. But there's another boss who knows it. Who's leaving these cars out here for me? Like, who's doing this for me? There's no reason to really silver. Yeah. Yes, no. How's that tall? I'm stuck in the tree. There you go. Well, go. Property damage. Oh my god, I got it. Property damage can't get me. Yippee. 5 minutes and 10 seconds just to do it. Come on, time. Just for something. Now, let's go back to what we're doing. Shh. Come on. Oh, what about the other thing? Okay, this is not Dreambox. If I... Not launch a metal. There's no going into the people. I can fix this one. It's okay. I'm going to be short my tree. And there. Oh, new message. That morning you shouldn't have told me a job and knew something wasn't right. The building was under certain private accident demolished. Now part of the crime investigation is done. Just a photo. This might be cleaning pot towards the way I was we need now. So that's ridiculous. She could get the police job, but I asked her for a favor. I don't know where she wants to be. Just do it. She emailed you directly. You just feel like I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck in the case and I feel like I should try something new. Reading especially knowledge is an overtaxed experience for over a month now, but she needs so many friends in the town that I said a word about you using your skills to borrow the property over is that's the least primitive lacking found acid in its customer recession and sort this mess out. If you do this for me, I'll be sure your little boy will be forgotten. You mean by borrow, you mean steal, or borrow and steal are two different things. Hope you know that. 3 things to do, 2 things to time. I hope I can do it right. This is the place I need to be. It's a house shack. time. Okay, so what's the thing? That building, one in that building, and one in that building over there. Let's start it. No, it's showing me to us. Oh, the door stopped. Well, in case of the doors. Let's open the doors. What's in here? Oh, treasure. I didn't know it's money this thing. If there's something stuck, try it over a car, what's my second one in this house? That's this door's locked too. Yep. Maybe I'm gonna say big window, but I have no idea. This one's open. That's right. I have a plan, okay? So I'm gonna go up here, take my train, go for this, and then up here. Oh, wait, one area. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but I accidentally. Oh, no, I don't need it. I gently, just don't need it. I can gently go. Good one down. Oh, everything in this. That's easy. That's easy. The car. Car's kind of stuck right now. Oh, it's still driving. Let's see. Yep, it's still driving. I mean, that's not where to go. This. Oh, nope. I accidentally crashed it. This is on the green. That's with me. Oh, this is it. Let's get up here. 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 And let's go here down right here. And here down right here. That was very. What is this? Oh. That was very easy. Honestly, it didn't even take me a while almost to go to this because I escaped up to my vehicle and I would be done. I thought you wouldn't know before any of this video. So let's head on. I checked this time. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. That's a long time just to get this one in. I wasn't doing it. There has been a break-in at the Oh, I can't believe we just robbed that. So, you know, I didn't really do this, but I'm still kidding. I feel like I should try something else right now. This is where we say Haley has one was on the camera right now. This is to the mission. Not doing chemical. Continuous program data everything. If you would still, but they have to be things. Oh, well, I walked it out this time, so oh, there we go. I'll do something to correct this so I can put in when I already easily did out up to 5 of which here's what I use. That just goes on lock still. I'm just gonna. There we go, hold on. Oh, fine, one of them. Oh, no, I'm gonna make it difficult, easier. I'm sure the first place I had to go. Oh my god, they actually locked the door. Now, I'll come back for a second. We're just not break it, and it's so late. I'm very sure that's not my fault. That one. What's right there? This time, what's right there? It's not there, so we know. So at least we know what to do. So everyone's in this building, so would it be best to pop over here? Go over here. Let's break this window apart from the building. Go in. I'm gonna shoot the building. See if I like one bit of this. And I have to make that jump to get up. There we go. And then after that, I go to here. Oh, that's pretty easy. Right, there we go. Apparently, at this time, so many people do it, and then something like they open it, and then after that, close it nice. And then that means that one is there, and let's go up. Oh my god, can we go up here? Maybe 59 seconds. Go, 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 go. Sorry, with my eye. Go, 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 go. Oh, half the time, don't do it, then totally have it on. Yes, yes, I'm so close, I'm so close. Yes, that was the part that I'm still able to make it. Yes, yes. Fortunately, I got there. How long it took me? The class I took. It took me 10.1 seconds left and 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Thank you all for watching this class. Don't forget to subscribe. I can keep playing this game. Bye.